Welcome back to Richie Burns Unboxing, where we hope to get some bad boy open. It's been 2 years since my last video, and a lot has happened since then, and I bought a lot of stuff that could have been reviewed, but because I'm lazy, it's gone by the wayside. These Sony, the MX3000s, they're very good. Didn't unbox them. Samsung Galaxy, that's pretty good. Didn't unbox it. Got this still. I unboxed it ages ago. So in 2 years, a lot's happened. And in that time, Novemeber, DJI released this as replacement to the Osmo. So it's the Pocket 2, Osmo 2. Osmo's a weird name to give it. DJI is also, because if you're French or whatever, you call it DJI. But this is a very good vlogging camera, apparently. We'll open it and see what's in the box. So I have gone for the Creator combo, which comes all together in this box. You would have thought maybe they'd package it separately, but no. It's all in the same box, and it's in a tiny box. So the camera is bound to be very small as well, and that's probably very good if you want to carry it. Well, it's called the Pocket 2, so you're going to want to put it in your pocket. Why would you buy it over the cheaper first edition? Well, it's got better sound. I'm trying to get this open. I've lost my knife. So it's got 4 mics on it instead of the 2. A lot of improvements. Some people say one downside might be the tracking, that it wasn't working very well, but apparently it's been fixed with a firmware update. If you want to do that, you're going to have to connect your phone. Connectivity wise, I know that the first one had a micro USB to connect to your phone, and this one has got USB-C, which everyone's got now. Even the Apple fanboys are having to buy new chargers because of that. So I'm going to try and get this open. In the meantime, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and it'll help me buy some bed sheets. Oh, I'm doing this totally wrong, because I'm not doing it wrong. Okay, it's a nice box. I'm going to rip it open, and it'll be a terrible unboxing error. Here we go. It's a nice box, eh? It tells you to download the app on the App Store and Google Play, which is the Mimo app. I've heard mixed reviews about that as well. So out of the box, we've got this. It's got a little nice, whatever you call it, cushioning in there. This is just a cable. No one cares about that too much. I won't get too much into it. It's got some nice, like these little things. Don't lose them. These are, so this is the joystick. I'll get that close up. Can you see it? Maybe if I turn it like the right way. This is the joystick. Very nice. We've got this silica gel packet. Don't eat it. Throw it away. Got another tiny thing in the Creator pack, which is a little lens for wide shots. And that's very good. Let's see what else we've got in here. I think it's a dead animal. Oh no, it's the mic. So with the Creator pack, you get a bit that you shove underneath it, and it's got Bluetooth and wireless settings in it. So you can connect a little Bluetooth mic. It's not the best looking one, but I've seen people using it and that's quite good. Here is the USB-C. Slot that into your phone. You connect that inside. My phone is USB-C. And apparently you need to connect to your phone if you want to do any firmware updates. So that is the micro USB, and then this one is probably, sorry, that's the USB-C. And this one is going to be, oh no, that's for a normal Apple phone. Shove that in your Apple. If you don't have a micro USB, a USB-C, I'm thinking it doesn't come with a micro USB, which is a bit of a shame. And here we've got USB to USB-C cable. Two times USB-C. Oh, we've got some more stuff in here. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this. You can pull it either way. That's nice. It has DJI written on it as well. You want to show off. And this is empty. That was part of the Korea pack. Oh, this is the main body. Oh, it's already wrapped. And it's got a cover with it, I think. Oh, look. So the camera is already in here. We'll take it out. And this is what you get. And it's got a little bit of foam there. Keep it good. And that's it, really. That's the camera. It is very small. And that's how it comes normally. And then in here you've got little slots for the lens and all the other stuff. The micro USB stuff. It's all magnetic, so if you drop it, that's going to be an issue. It might fall out. Now in the bottom of the box we've got all this stuff, which is part of the Trace pack as well, I believe. This is a little thing with a bit on the bottom for a screw, and this is a 3-legged tripod, so you can set it up on uneven ground or wherever you want to go. Here we have something else. Whatever it is, I have no idea, because I haven't looked at it properly. This goes in the bottom. This is the it's the do-it-all handle, so this has got all Wi-Fi stuff in it. Feels quite nice, that. And then this is this is the microphone, obviously. Let's just stick it in there. Does it require what's on? And you must charge it with a USB, which is pretty handy. And then you just slot, so you just stick the microphone in there, or it's got a jack there. So I'm assuming you can use whatever mic you want. If you've got a smaller mic, you could have it coming on a wire, so you could hide this down below. This looks pretty cool. Anyway, it's all pretty good. If you want to get this off, I have no idea how you do that, but I'll read the instructions and get back to you on it. God, it keeps going to foreign languages. But yeah, this is what I bought over lockdown. I'll come back with some footage using it, going walking and stuff. Say you're vlogging with it, you'll walk around, it's nice, it fits in your hand quite nicely. And this is a very short video, just to get back and show you what's going on in my channel. Obviously I might try and do some more videos or reviews or whatever. This was already unboxed. I could do a review on that, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video, which might have me using this stuff and hopefully get me back into making some videos, because it's very fun. Anyway, speak to you later. So I thought I'd do a bit more than just taking it out of the box, which seems to be a bit of a cop-out. I'm using the DJI now, and I'm using the internal microphones and the wide-angle lens. So when I switched it on, it's gone into tracking mode for the selfie. So we'll see how well that works. So at the moment, I'm still using those microphones, 4 of them, stereo mode. So if I come over here, and I pick up the mic, so I think this is also in HDR mode, and it's already lost my face, so I don't think it's that great for self-tracking. I can recenter it by double clicking the middle there, and it's found me again. Maybe because I've moved further away. You could probably use active tracking, which might work better. I've got the do-it-all handle plugged in, so now I've already paired these, so if I switch it on now, it does say that it's connected now. So now I'm just using this microphone, and we can see whether there's a difference. So this is the good thing about this, is I can move away. So I'm moving further away, and it is pretty much tracking me. Maybe because I moved my face away, that it stopped finding my face. But it'll be interesting to see the difference between this mic and that. Obviously this mic's going to be better for move further away. There is a jack in the top, so I think if you do have another microphone, you can plug it in there and you don't have this on show. Because it's not very easy to hide, or you can pretend it's you've got a very hairy chest. This is my hairy chest. But yeah, it's just thought I'd go into a couple of things, and I'll keep the mic on. I'm just going to also say about file transfer. I found transferring to the mobile device didn't work too well. It kept crashing, although this might be due to my SD card, my micro SD card. So transferring to the micro SD might be because it's not very fast. So I've got a different one, and we'll see how good that is. But it did transfer over, but then nothing played on my phone. So that might be another issue. Apart from that, you can plug the Pocket straight into your laptop or your computer, and you can move files around there. You just plug it in with it on, and it'll tell you to connect to the computer. You say yes, and you can look up the micro SD card directly. And this was filmed in the 1080p 30 frames per second. 1080p 30 frames per second. So we'll see how well that looks, and then I'll do some more 4K ones. Also, I found that the internal mics didn't work that loudly. But if you turn on Pro mode, you can set it so the microphone is picking up a bit louder. We'll see how that works, and I'll see if I've had to change the levels at all. Yeah, overall, to start with, it's quite a nice bit of kit. It would be nice to see what it's like out and about, and try some hyperlapses. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.